campaign aimed at distracting and discrediting AVM Abdulraheem. We have credible reasons to believe these attacks are being sponsored by some high-ranking officers in the military retired. Since assuming office of AVM Abdulraheem, he has delivered measurable reforms, including faster and more transparent payment of pensions and gratuities. Digital verification systems are being rolled out nationwide to end fraud and delays. Reduced bottlenecks and improved access to entitlement as confined by veterans across the country and even present here today. Today, we have retired veterans in our midst to testify to these claims. Distinguished members of the press, our position is clear. No office is a birthright. Tenure ends, but service to veterans must continue. And so, we want strongly to any individual, retired or serving, that have had his time at the pension board to leave AVM Abdulraheem to work. These attacks are not just against one man, it's not just against AVM Abdulraheem. These are affront to the welfare of Nigerians' retired servicemen and an insult to the military family. We will not allow the sacrifices of our veterans to be used as a political football. And we will no longer tolerate the continuous sponsored attacks against AVM Abdulraheem. Our demands are simple. We are calling on those behind those sponsored attacks to immediately desist from sponsoring individuals and narratives aimed at discrediting the military pension board. Today, we pass an unequivocal vote of confidence on AVM Abdulraheem and urge all stakeholders, security agencies, and the media to disregard these distractions and support the ongoing reforms at the military pension board. Finally, the military pension board under AVM Abdulraheem is working. Let him work. Nigeria is bigger than any one man. We thank you all for your time, and God bless you.